Hi, I'm Dimiti Metzeltin, and in this video I want to present to you the Mackie Thump GO. The Mackie Thump GO is a portable and very versatile PA box with an 8-inch woofer and a 1-inch compression driver, and driven by a very efficient Class D power amp with up to 200 watts of peak power. We also have here a built-in rechargeable and replaceable battery that lasts up to 12 hours, so you can use the speaker wherever there is no power. This makes the Mackie Thump GO not only interesting for musicians and DJs, but also for location recordings, video shooting, schools, institutions, or for presentations. The very low weight of 8 kilograms, the compact size and the practical handle here on the top makes the speaker very portable, and we also have an optional Mackie transport bag for this, so this makes it even easier to transport the speaker from A to B. But yet the speaker is also very robust, so we have a very robust chassis, a steel grille here also to protect the speakers. And talking of protection, we also feature thermal limiters and input limiters. Furthermore, we also have a very precise crossover and also a very precise time alignment between the two speakers to optimize the sound. The form factor also allows not only to use the speaker on the stand, but also as a monitor on the ground. Now let's take a look at the input and output section of the Mackie Thump GO. So we have two channels, both featuring combo inputs. Channel 1 can take line or microphone signals. I can then adjust the level here with this little switch and adjust the gain accordingly. Then we have on channel 2 an additional stereo mini jack input for playback devices, and we have a through output as well to send all the signals to another speaker or to a subwoofer. With the main volume here, I can change the main volume of the speaker here. So let's take a look at the top. We have 4 buttons. With the first button here on the right side, I can turn on or off the front LED. So on some occasions you don't want to have those bright lights shining in the front, then you can turn off the LED here. Feedback eliminator, that's really useful, especially when doing presentations, for example. Let's say you're walking around with a microphone, you come too close to the speaker, then you would hear some noises coming up. With the feedback eliminator, this is being taken care of then automatically, so you don't hear those noises that could occur. Music ducking is the next feature here, and with music ducking I can do the following. Let's say you have music playing back, maybe even through Bluetooth, that's possible as well here on channel 2, and then you want to make an announcement. So normally you then would have to adjust all the levels again, then you would speak, but here with music ducking you simply speak into the microphone on channel 1, and on channel 2 automatically the music gets lower. Then we have here an outdoor mode. This is great for location recordings, for example, because outside you will lose a bit of the bass frequencies and of the voice clarity, and this is being taken care of automatically with this outdoor mode. So this takes care of that you still have a good sound also outside. Then we feature 4 voicing modes. The first one is the music mode for music playback or for live music. We have a speech mode, which is optimized for voices, a monitor mode when you use the Mackie Thump GO as a monitor speaker on the ground, and then we have the subwoofer mode. This is ideal for using an additional subwoofer and would take the crossover much higher so that all the bass frequencies are taken care of by the subwoofer. By the way, you can also see all the frequencies of the different voicings right here printed on the back side, so that's really useful there as well. Plus, we can link 2 Mackie Thump GOs for a stereo system. As I said, you could use this then in stereo, maybe add a subwoofer to it to get a very loud system. And you can play back the music in stereo, but also in the zone mode. So this would mean that I can adjust the volumes apart from the 2 different speakers. So one speaker is lower, the other is louder, etc. I can also link my phone with this, and we have a free of charge app available for Android and for iOS as well. And with this app I can remote control everything that we saw here plus that we also have up to 10 presets that we can save and recall. And we also have a high and low shelf EQ there to adjust the speaker even more. So that's the Mackie Thump GO, a very versatile and portable speaker, ideal not only for musicians and DJs, but also for location recordings, video shootings, institutions, schools and presentations. Thanks for watching.